In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana with N8N. By the end, you'll have the Asana for N8N.Cloud app installed from the Asana app directory so you can streamline automations between your projects and workflows. Make sure you're signed into the correct Asana workspace or organization where you want the integration available. If you have multiple spaces, check the indicator in the top bar so you don't install it to the wrong place. Start on your Asana homepage. From here, look up to the top right and click your profile icon. This opens a quick menu with account options. Choose Settings to open the Preferences window. Along the top, you'll see tabs for different areas of your account. Click the Apps tab. This is where Asana centralizes app connections for your account and workspace, and it provides a link to the full app directory for exploring additional integrations. In the Apps area, select See All Apps to jump into the directory. You'll land on a page listing available integrations. Use the search bar and type n8n.cloud to find the official listing. If search results are crowded, look for the entry that clearly references N8N. Open the listing and review the description so you know what the connection enables and which permissions it requests. When you're ready, click Install Asana for NAN Cloud. Depending on your organization's policies, you may see a confirmation dialog or a request for admin approval. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the install. Once installed, the connection is registered on the Asana side, and you're set to use it when building automations in N8N. If you don't see the app after installing, refresh Asana or revisit the Apps tab in Settings to confirm it appears. If the Apps tab or the Install button is unavailable, you may not have the necessary permissions in that workspace. In that case, contact an admin to enable app installs. Also note that some browsers or privacy extensions can block pop-ups during installation, so temporarily allowing pop-ups can help if a dialog doesn't appear. That's it. The Asana for N8N.Cloud app is now connected, making it easier to trigger flows from tasks, sync data, and keep your projects up to date automatically. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, save these steps for next time you set up a workspace and you'll be able to repeat the process quickly and confidently.